going on, guys? It's another video of this continued daily blog series. Yesterday we made 3,300 bucks in about 10 minutes. If you guys would like to see the video, make sure you click up top here and show some love, man. I'm sending you videos every single day to you guys, letting you know exactly how I'm going to enter the markets, when I'm entering the markets, when I'm removing myself from the markets as well. So let's get into this money. Let's have another profitable day. We got US30 here. First thing I always do, 4-hour time frame, figure out what are we currently reacting off of? What is the 4-hour zone we're currently reacting off of? So as you guys see here, this is the last 4-hour major zone we were reacting off of, coming all the way up almost to ultimate highs, and now reacting off of this newfound 4-hour resistance. So currently what we're reacting off of is a 1-hour zone. It's not a 4-hour zone, and we are bullish as shit. So although we are reacting off 4-hour resistance, so you would expect price to push down to that next magnet level, we're obviously still creating higher highs and higher lows until we break below this higher low sitting right here, okay, on 4-hour and hourly time frame. And so when I go to lower time frames, understanding we're bullish but still getting where we're reacting off of could get a little bit tricky as to what to decide today, as market's kind of ranging sideways. So let's go to lower time frame, see what we got going on. First off, hourly time frame, we have a resistance or a support sitting down here and a resistance that we're currently reacting off of up here. If you look in the past, we've had some really decent reactions from the zone, either a push away from the zone or mega volume to push past the zone. It's a very prevalent zone. Now, currently in the future, our current time, we're getting another reaction off of that area here. And now, looking at this, when we go to lower time frames, we are going to be bearish, creating lower highs and lower lows. We've now bled below this 44,600 level after reacting off of this resistance, and we've came back up to retest and are now pushing lower. And so without even going to lower time frames, kind of do have a bearish bias now that we have two resistances that we're working against, although we're still bullish. So I would definitely be down to take buys, back above this like 44,600 level. So let's go to lower time frame, see what we got going on, and see what we can figure out. 15-minute time frame, got a nice little trend line that's forming here. 3 taps to it, 1 tap here, 2 tap here, 3 taps here. So now we can use it as a form of bias, and not much anything else on 15-minute time frame. So now going to 5-minute time frame, again, man, we're really just stuck in a range in between these two areas. Yes, we are bearish, reacting off of this resistance, but higher time frame, we're structure-wise, we are very fucking bullish. And so it's a bit tough, sitting in the middle of these two ranges before session. I don't really see much that I want to participate on. So this is what we're gonna do. If we start to push below these lows during session open, I'll go ahead and execute the sell-off, as again, we're creating lower highs, lower lows. We have two resistances that we're currently reacting off of. But as far as buy side, I'm not going to wait until we drive up a whole 200 points before I execute those buys back above this 44,600 level like we were speaking about. Safe buy sitting up here, obviously, and we're bearish below it, but definitely not going to wait that long. So I would like for a bread and butter setup to happen. That's simply just a break above previous session highs. All sellers from London session, their stop losses are going to be sitting at very obvious points. Potentially this high sitting up here, that just got mitigated. That's why we're pushing down a bit. And stop loss sitting at London highs as well here. And so if we can push up above these highs, start to push back from the range, showing that liquidity traders are winning, and then a re-break back above highs, man, bro, bread and butter all day long. We'll go ahead and take these buys back up. We have a huge range to fill still. Regardless of where this happens, we can still get our 75 points. And there's not a lot of volume today, so we're definitely using a 25-point stop loss. So let's see, either break below these lows or a bread and butter setup above these highs, or no trade at all if it just wants to continue sideways. We do have news here, I think at 10. We have job openings at 10 o'clock a.m., which is here in about 2 hours. I don't really usually see much of a reaction from these job openings, but we'll see what happens. I'm hopping on session. So I'm hopping on session with my students here in about 10 minutes. We're gonna give them the fucking sauce as always. And if you guys don't know, I do run a full mentorship program. So yeah, I know it's enjoyable to watch these daily vlogs every day to see what I'm doing in hindsight, but if you would like to watch me execute these trades live and get one-on-one direct mentorship as to what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, so you can expedite that learning curve as quick as possible, the mentorship is in the link in the description, and I'd be glad for you to join the process as long as you do qualify. Not everybody does qualify, as I have to give my own dedicated time. So make sure you guys fill out the survey. If you qualify, my team will message you and get you fucking going. I know and one thing I want to say as well, all of this knowledge is online for free. I'm sending you guys daily blogs every day showing you exactly what I'm doing within the markets. The point of a mentorship is to be with a community of like-minded individuals who are all looking to go towards the same goal, which is to become a consistent, profitable trader. And number two, the biggest part of the mentorship is for me to put all of the knowledge together for you and a structured blueprint roadmap for you to alleviate that learning curve as quick as you possibly can. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you guys click the link below, and we'll see you guys during session open. So I somehow forgot to turn my camera off for this, my bad y'all, but I'm in a mentorship call with my group and New York session is just open. These are those trades I'm be talking about, funnel, where it's like pushes all the way up to this degree and then we push down a whole another 100 points and then getting in at that 100 points without any structure. I can't stand these trades, brother. And again, not to state that we are incorrect by us getting in here and it failing. We're just simply getting in at the end of a 100-point candle. We're gonna get some type of fucking retracement before it pushes lower. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I'm definitely down to execute. I just a little bit of a lower probability setups when it comes to this shit, in my experience. Well, could you imagine how many people got faked out of these London highs sitting up here? I love watching that shit every day, bro. Can you imagine how much money you guys have saved by not trading those fucking London highs?
Major key alert.
Like, I can just only imagine. Whoa. I can't help but to think I'm good on trading this railroad, bro. What is this shit? I'm good on this. We're 30 minutes in and this is the price action we get. Thought that was for sure gonna send it. That trend line's holding like a demon. You guys can execute if you want, bro. I'm gonna hold off on this ranging market.